This is a tutorial on how to use EDpuzzle. First, go to edpuzzle.com and click Teacher Start Now. On the next screen, click Start Tour. This will walk you through a quick tour of what you can do with EDpuzzle. EDpuzzle allows you to clip videos from YouTube and other places. Click on the red tags and slide them towards each other to shorten the sample video. Then click Continue up at the top. EDpuzzle also lets you insert quiz questions and videos. Put a question in the sample box and click Continue. EDpuzzle also gives you the opportunity to see your students' scores to check on how they are doing on your videos. View the sample, then click Create My First Lesson. Now you'll be prompted to sign up. You can do so with your Google account or with your email address. Click Get Started on the next screen. You'll be prompted to search for a video. EDpuzzle searches a wide range of video hosting services. Enter your search terms and press Enter on the keyboard. You'll be prompted to choose a video. You can look at videos from each of the channels on the left side of the screen. When you click on one, the videos with your search terms will show up. If that channel doesn't have any with your search terms, it will tell you which ones do. Choose a channel, then hover over your video and click the blue Use It button that pops up. You'll be taken to the editing screen. Click Funtastic to begin. You also have the options of adding a multiple choice question or your own comment with no response required using the other tabs. Scroll down to add more possibilities under multiple choice. Multiple choice allows you to assign correct or incorrect to any answer, so this can work as true, false, classic multiple choice, or multiple correct. When you finish, click Save and then Continue. The video will resume and you can follow the same sequence at the next spot you think is good for a question or want to add a comment to. You can also add multiple questions in the same spot of the video by clicking the plus button after you write your questions instead of clicking Save. Then just make your choice of open-ended, multiple choice, or comment by clicking the tab and filling it out. Now you'll be taken to your EDpuzzle home screen and the code for your class will pop up at the top. You will need to provide this code to your students in order for them to participate. You can email it or tweet it from this interface, or simply list it to your Google Classroom. You can now copy the link or the embedded code. Keep in mind that if students do not log in, their answers will not be saved. You'll want to prompt your students in your syllabus to create an account with EDpuzzle so they are prepared when you assign an activity using it.